Buhay na buhay raw ang kultura ng paghahabi sa bansa. Patunay riyan ang iba't ibang brand at produkto na proudly Pinoy-made pero world-class. May report si Nico Wahe.
High cut, low cut, o slip-on. Kulay, maraming pagpipilian. Yan ang Lakat Sustainables. Lakat, salitang Ilonggo, nang ibig sabihin ay lakad. Alam nyo ba na ang makulay na mga sapin sa paa mula sa pinya at gawa ng Pinoy?
This is made out of pineapple blend, which we processed the thread itself. We get our pineapple from Negros. Also, our cotton is from Negros. Then we process it into a yarn. Once it is made into a yarn, we send it back to our partner weavers in Negros, and then they weave it, and then after that we assemble it here in Manila.
Nasa 4,000 pesos ang locally made shoes, depende sa klase. Kasama ito sa naka-exhibit sa 14th Likhang Hobby Market Fair sa Makati City. Mayroon ding damit, palabal, bags at iba pa. Si Monica, ibinida ang dress at top na hinabi rin daw ng mga taga-Negros.
This is from Oringao, and then this is from Cabancalan. And then the hand-woven trim is hand-woven by the Maranao weavers of Lanao del Sur.
When we started the fair, it's really to have an opportunity for the weaver to get to market. And we want to help yung talagang maliliit na grassroots weavers.
Hindi na raw may tuturing na dyeing ang kultura ng paghahabi.
Maybe before it was dying, but now people all over the world are really reviving their old heritage crafts. There's a demand for it.
Isa rin sa isinusulong nila ang paggamit ng natural dyes sa textile fabrics.
A lot of the textiles use chemical dyes, which is not sustainable and not good for the environment. So we're promoting natural dyes. They use anything from buko to achuete to achuete like turmeric also.
Nico Wahe, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.
Huwag magpahuli sa mga balitang dapat ninyong malaman. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, subaybayan nyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.